Basic Appraisal Principles. Page 11. Appraisers acquire clients from various disciplines and for various reasons, other than the most common reason of developing an opinion of value. Following are some examples of clients who might request appraisal services: lenders, banks, credit unions, mortgage brokers, attorneys, accountants, governmental agencies, local, state, and federal, individual persons, real estate agents, businesses, insurance companies, landlords, land developers. Other reasons why someone might need an appraisal service include the following. Note, this is not an all-inclusive list. To estimate the relative values of properties being exchanged. To provide an expert opinion of value for properties involved in the liquidation of estates, corporate mergers, corporate acquisitions, or bankruptcies. To establish rental rates. To determine the amount of hazard insurance coverage needed. To estimate remodeling costs or their contribution to value. To identify raw land's highest and best use. To estimate market value for taxation purposes. To help establish value in a condemnation proceeding. Fiduciary relationship. A relationship in which an individual, the client or principal, places complete trust, confidence, and reliance in another, the appraiser, who has a fiduciary duty to a particular transaction or one's general affairs or business. The relationship is not necessarily formally or legally established, but can be one of moral or personal responsibility due to the superior knowledge and training of the fiduciary as compared to the one whose affairs the fiduciary is handling. Source: quoted and adapted from Nolo's Plain English Law Dictionary. Appraiser certifications and classifications. Before someone can claim to be an appraiser, that person must first become qualified and licensed to do so. The Appraisal Qualifications Board has established minimum appraiser certification requirements. Each state is required to implement certification requirements to meet or exceed those minimum requirements. Effective January 1st, 2008, the AQB established the following appraiser qualifications: trainee, licensed, certified res, certified general. Extra note: Fannie Mae can anything you want to know its guidelines. Something says, I don't know what it says. Jody will turn you in if you playing with the dark side. Don't be a number hitter. If someone is giving like 210,000 when it's only 190, you gave a number hitter.